Canva AI Video Generator, is it worth it? First, yes, Canva has AI video tools. You can create videos from text, images, or templates using features like Magic Media and AI avatars. It's very beginner friendly, no editing experience needed. Is there a free trial? Yes, Canva has a free plan. You can test AI features with limited credits, but advanced AI tools are mostly in the paid plans. Pricing starts at around $15 per month for Canva Pro if you pay monthly. What do users think? Most people love how easy it is and how fast you can create social media videos. But some say AI video quality is not as cinematic as specialized tools like Runway or Pika. So, is Canva good for you? If you want simple, fast videos for YouTube, TikTok, or marketing, yes. If you want Hollywood level AI video, probably not. That's all. Leave a comment, please. Subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.